This is a Star Lather Catcher safety razor from the turn of the last century. It's open comb. It was designed to use its own blades, which are sort of half-hollow blades that you hone yourself and strop yourself using the stropping attachment if it's present with your razor. This is the model that has the springs versus the screws. This is springs, and the screws are on the corners of this one. There's a lot of variance with these. It opens up for cleaning. Unlike the Tory, it has a very simple, easy to use blade retaining spring. Like so. Leaves the blade in a very nice position to shave with, or sort of like at that position to shave. And not much else to say. The handle breaks down into two. So kind of short handle or long. And this is where a stropping handle would go into. And then the blade would go into that. And you could strop your blade. You can also put a layer of tape around the stropping attachment with the blade in it and hone your blade that way. That's one way to do it. The other way to do it is to put a layer of tape around the blade and hone it that way. Just loose with just a layer of tape around it. You get a better bevel angle that way. But if you just have to have something to hold on to while you're honing, you could try that. It would probably still have a better blade angle than a double-edged blade would, for instance. So, better bevel angle, excuse me. Open comb. And these really shave beautifully well when you have the blades set up to shave properly, pretty much. The other nice thing about this particular one is it has blade stops, so if you really wanted to, you could stick in like a gem blade and shave with that. But these shave much rougher with the gem blades, in my experience, than they do with the actual proper heavy blade that they were designed to be using. So bear that in mind. And that's about it. Really nice example of one of these. The head's not loose at all. The springs are all good. The screws are there. Just doesn't have its stropping attachment or its blade. Just gives you an excuse to buy another one that's not in good condition but has a stropping attachment and a blade. Apart from that, I don't really have much to add. These are some of the earliest safety razors, and in my opinion, they're just about as good as they ever got. They kind of went backwards a bit, in my opinion, after this. You can keep shaving with them. All the lather collects. They rarely clog. The blades that were designed to be used with it shave beautifully once you get them going. I don't know. But disposability went out in the end, so. Stars on the handle. Star on the base plate. Star.